Hello. Thank you, Avni. So, as you can see, we are the co-organizers of the event. So, as you can see, the tagline "Browse, choose, invite." So, we are trying to simplify the process of inviting any particular guest for your event. So, the idea actually originated back when I was in the campus 2 years ago. So, I was trying to invite CEO of multinational companies, and I was pretty much confused who to approach to. Normally, CEOs had their own PR agencies or PR manager or some PR team, or they also had their secretaries, so who were looking after their dates. But I didn't know exactly who to reach out to, so that was a big pain point for me. So that actually prompted me to start something of this sort, which actually solves this problem. This problem is little is small, but it's actually something which we can actually solve to get meaningful results. And in fact, we then diversified into other categories. So we diversified into events because people want to reach out to artists, performers, or celebrities, in fact, for any kinds of event inquiries or endorsements or appearances. Normally, for any celebrity engagement, you approach local agencies. So, I'll talk about that. So we are basically two co-founders. I am Vivek, and Akshay is not here today. He's actually getting married a couple of days back, a couple of days in. So we both have worked together for 2 years, and we know each other. So we are both pass outs from IITs and IIMs. And prior to this, I was working in Qatar as a marketing head. So there I did one event which set a Guinness World Record for largest human smiley, and that actually we also celebrated it with a celebrity engagement which we had invited a Bollywood singer over there. So that actually gave me a practical exposure to how the events actually operate in terms of when you are trying to invite anyone. So this actually gave me an idea, and I was already working on this idea. So this gave me a boost up, and Akshay is more into operations, and he has expertise in operations and consulting. So he was working with Infosys as a consultant. So if we map the talent pool in India, so we can map them on popularity and opportunity index. So there are famous faces who are the celebrities who are pretty famous, and they are having lots of opportunities, in fact, in the market. There are lots of TV soap artists who are pretty much famous, and people know by face, but they don't know exactly who they are, and they are pretty much getting lesser opportunities than the pretty much renowned celebrities. Then there are lots of sports persons who are low on popularity because they are non-cricketers, and they're also low on opportunities because no one knows them. So that is another side of the talent pool. Then we have photographers or local makeup artists who are pretty much low on popularity, but they have pretty good engagement in the local crowd, and they are getting good business. So our idea is to provide visibility and opportunities to the entire talent pool. Basically, we are focusing on the getting everyone to the quadrant 2. So ways to, if you look at the traditional ways to reach out to eminent personalities or artists, performers, etc. Normally, people use personal contacts or referral contacts. Then they use multiple social media websites, individual pages, or a local agency. So there are certain gaps. For example, the local agencies, charge hefty, and there is lack of transparency. You don't know exactly how much the artist is charging. They just quote you some random figure, and so that's pretty much not transparent, and you exactly don't know who you are paying to. So there are unsecure payments. Then you have to open multiple tabs for if you are trying to compare prices, quotes from different artists. Then accessibility is one issue. For example, if you approach any local agency, so normally they give you limited options who they are in touch with. So that is also the thing we are trying to avoid. And choice is another thing. So we are trying to focus on unlimited choices for you as per your requirement. So we are creating an online marketplace for guests. So if you can see, the guest by diversity of people who attend events, be it a speaker, magician, comedian, even celebrities or entrepreneurs, CEOs as well. We are trying to bring them on the platform so that they get connected to such conferences, and they get invited to such conferences like IAM Network. So and it's pretty easy to manage. That's what we have created on the platform. So we are focused on all sorts of events, be it personal events like weddings, anniversaries, if you need some magician or some Indian Idol singers, let's say. So we are also focused on colleges. So cultural festivals are there, and then lots of guest lectures happen in colleges. Corporate events happen. Then this is a new trend, restaurants and pubs, where live performances happen. So we are also focused on that. Then we have non-profit events where lots of NGOs are actually looking forward to support in terms of celebrity engagement, and we are actually working with two of the NGOs for fundraising with some celebrity engagement as well. Then endorsement is one area which we are focused upon as well, because there is little bit of agency involvement these days. So we are trying to bring transparency to the system. And the process in between is called invite. It's pretty simple. So host invites, guest quotes, negotiation happens over telephone, and then guest performs or attends the event. We have a social angle as well. So we are also trying to bring out hidden talents on the platform. Record holders, there are lots of record holders, Guinness World Record holders and Limca Book of World Record holders, which are pretty much inspirational to hear too. So we are bringing them on the same platform. Then we have we are focused on distinguished achievers, reality TV show participants and winners. So people know that this talent group has performed on India's Got Talent, but they don't know exactly if they can afford them or not, and if how to reach about them. They even don't give a thought to it. So we are trying to break that clutter. And even in marriages, if weddings, people actually can afford Indian Idol singers, but they don't know exactly about it. So we are also trying to break that thought process. So, and in fact, you read lots of stories on blogs these days, like which are pretty much inspirational, but there is no way out to reach out to them. So we are actually opening that door for you. I already told you the corporate angle. So we are also trying to bring CEOs, CXOs on the platform so that they can be easily invited to such conferences, relevant conferences. So we can filter out the events on the platform as well. For last 5 months, we have been operational mostly in colleges, and then we have been operational in corporates as well. So we have got a pretty good inquiry so far. So it has been mostly offline right now, because we just went online last month in Advantage India Chennai chapter. So these are some of the figures. So we have around 500 guests online right now, which actually contain wide diversity of personalities. For example, celebrities, sports persons, MCs, writers, authors, singers, entrepreneurs, CXOs as well, and sports persons as well, politicians as well. So these are some of the bands which are featured on the platform. So these are a couple of few, and we have celebrities as well on the platform. Like you can see some of the faces which you see on TV but don't recognize them. So these are some of the launches which we did. So we got live last month in Chennai in Advantage India Conclave, organized by AM Network. So we had Padam Shri Muruganantham. So he is known as Menstrual Man. So he inaugurated us, and we had the honor of having such personalities on, including a South Indian actress. Then last couple of days back, last week, we had the same event in Delhi. So we unveiled our blog, which featured inspirational stories of our guests. So we are doing content marketing for them so that they get opportunities. We have been featured on TV for this Advantage India initiative, which we have undertaken. When we had just started, so we got featured in Your Story. It was last year, and we also got acknowledged by IIM Calcutta. So far this has been the story, and we are looking forward to making it big. Thank you. Yeah. So revenue model is mostly commission based. So if you so we have a commission. So it's just like the normal marketplace operates. So if you see Flipkart, or Urban Clap, or Snapdeal, if you sell any product on that, so Flipkart charges from the sellers. So that's what we do. But it's pretty transparent, so that's the difference. So right now, couple of months back, we did a brand ambassador program across colleges, mostly IITs and IIMs. So we appointed one brand ambassador for us in the colleges, and they gave us the access to events happening on the campuses. So that way we really got good publicity in colleges, and that is actually working out. So that is helping us out in terms of word of mouth marketing. And apart from that, through these conferences, we are getting good network. So that is one. And apart from that, we have plans of content marketing. We have already announced the blog, and in fact, we'll be circulating it and trying to get it more viral, because we have interesting stories. So we have people who have broken records, and in fact, I would so in one of the blogs which we launched last week, we had one Professor Dr. Ramesh Babu. No one knows about him, but he has the record of having maximum number of records in India. He has 52 world records and 9 national records. So such people are on the platform who pretty much are inspirational in their own way. So that is one. Then we have also tied up with one videobanao.com. So they are basically a team of a Bollywood director and an IIT alumnus and a couple of FTII graduates. So they are into movie making, commercials, and they have worked with leading clients like TVF or Lakme Fashion Week. So they have also made videos. So we have tied up with them for videos on guest. We'll be marketing that, and apart from that, we'll be we are also leveraging our networks. So that is one. So these are a couple of ways we will doing it, and we'll be going pretty much aggressive on that front as well now.
Are you looking for investments at this investors reason for this presentation, right? So startups are pitching for investors.
Right.
So what is the investment amount that you are looking for, and then what is the immediate spending plan that you have?
Yeah. So right now we are focused on raising approximately 50 to 1 CR, and the idea, how we'll be spending it is more into aggressive marketing. Plus, we'll be building teams for different categories. We'll be setting up teams and BD teams. So basically, we will be focusing on different categories. So the idea is to bring human resources and then spend on marketing. So that's the basic idea, and leveraging the wedding market which is going to come next month. So any more questions, you can catch me offline. So I'm here. Thank you.